Welcome to the Ultimate C# course for beginners, where you'll learn the basics of the C# programming language and apply your knowledge through projects, apps, assignments, coding exercises, and test cases to kickstart your career as a software engineer. C# is one of the top 5 languages used by projects on GitHub and is consistently one of the most loved languages on Stack Overflow's developer survey. C# is utilized in many areas, including web development, game development, desktop applications, cloud services, and more. C# features make it suitable for multiple programming paradigms, such as object-oriented, functional, and event-driven programming. This course is perfect for beginners and those who have never programmed before. Throughout the course, students will gradually build a project in which everything they learn will be implemented as a program with an organized structure of namespaces and classes, readily available for further use. Nearly every chapter includes a quiz to help students review and reinforce what they've learned. The lessons are short, clear, and concise, making it easy to quickly learn the C# language. Students will learn how to install and configure a virtual environment, followed by setting up the development environment and tools. They will also write custom configurations for debugging, building, and running C# programs. Students will gain the ability to write and execute simple programs, understand the basic structure of a C# program, and master key programming concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Additionally, they will dive into the core principles of object-oriented programming, debug programs, and explore other essential features of C# language. An interesting aspect of this course is learning how to generate documentation for your project, including HTML and PDF formats, a topic often overlooked in many other courses. Students will explore the importance of comments, the different types of comments, and how to use them effectively to enhance code clarity, maintainability, and collaboration, particularly in large and modern projects. At the end of this course, students will create C# programs to practice and apply what they have learned throughout the course. Students will work with free tools in a virtual environment powered by Oracle VirtualBox and the Ubuntu operating system, gaining practical experience with Linux. They will also have the option to use other free solutions for developing C# programs mentioned in the course. This course also includes appendices with additional videos covering various topics to enhance your learning experience. Topics include troubleshooting, configuration, documentation, tips, and other valuable insights. By completing this course, students will establish a solid foundation in C# programming that will serve as a stepping stone for more advanced projects and opportunities.